Another aspect and benefit of the work is to help people work through trauma. And that can be little t trauma, like poor sex education, which gives people feelings of guilt and shame around their sexuality, which inhibits the sense of freedom for exploration. And so in this container, we invite people to guide touch and to explore pleasure, and from that place, find where arousal rests in the body. And then there's big T trauma, where people who have received unwanted touch, who have had abusive relationships with sexuality. And so there might be a fear of entering relationship, a fear of sex altogether, a fear of being touched. And from that place, it inhibits the possibility of entering nurturing relationships. And when we do somatic sex education, we're able to re-explore from an empowered place the qualities of nurturance and receiving guided touch that is client-centered. And from that place, we offer the individual, but also we offer the nervous system of the individual the time to receive and digest, receive and digest, and receive and digest. So allowing the person to trust that all touch doesn't necessarily mean a traumatic experience, and that through guiding the practitioner to offer touch that is of an interest or curiosity for them, and receiving just that quality of touch brings about confidence to explore further and go deeper into the erotic realm, but at a titrated pace that is easy for the individual to digest.